Someone left us a comment the other day that there's an old tunnel hidden on the banks of the river that was used in the old smuggling area. Smuggle booze into town. So we're going to check it out. And that wasn't timed as well as we planned.
We should have put the motor down. Just heading out for the day.
Cut! That's it! Coming up on Goose Shit Island. You can see it is no longer an island. All that area is filled in with sand and dirt now. Oh geez, look how shallow it is. This is a little bit iffy.
It is so shallow.
It's crazy how much of a difference a season makes. I didn't even notice that was there. It's crazy how much difference a season can make.
Heads up, Coots. Heads up, you hear me?
Oh!
There's a tree going right over there.
I called an asshole for interrupting my shot, but thank you, actually. Almost got me. If you saw our trash pickup video, right here is where we had our boat parked. All of that stretch was water, so there's been quite a drop in the water level, and hopefully we can still keep going through here. Oh, look, there's a wheelbarrow. We might have to get that on the way back. Oh, there's no getting that out. No. There's a way.
To the wagon!
To the wagon! Coming up on the wagon. It is pretty full of mud. It's a radio flyer.
This is just too shallow.
Here we are starting to hit.
Yeah, like we're beach right now.
Yeah.
Coming to the wagon from a different angle. I should probably slow down, eh? Oh, that might be perfect.
We're there. All right, Coots, get the wagon.
Yeah.
What's the next step?
I would say grapple.
That is what you call in there.
We're moving it a little. If we had like a stick, we could bash suction loose. We do have that axe.
I don't want to chop it up.
No, just chop the mud. Oh God, he's getting the waders on. My man is suiting up for the wagon. Get that foot B-roll. Don't you have huge holes in the waders?
I patched it up. I destroyed one set.
Oh my God, dude. Oh my God.
And then got a small tear in this one and patched it up.
My guess is that Coots is gonna get wet. His patch job was patchy.
Not how I would have done it. It's broken.
No, we can still get it out of the river.
Right. Yeah, that's like you were saying, the mud and suction. It's got like a root system growing in it.
Maybe try plunging hole to weaken it. That water's gotta be freezing.
Yeah. I don't think so, Tim.
Well, he tried.
Yeah.
Turns out sediment is serious. Serious sediment. This is the serious sediment segment.
Oh, wait.
Oh, this segment about sediment, that serious got serious.
I can't really hit good leverage on it.
No.
Or that's just not. I gave it a go and it wasn't working is the end result. Even underwater tables coming back up.
The table's up there.
We should definitely have a picnic there.
We could get that thing. On the way back, we should try and pull it.
We can see what happens.
All right, we just got to the picnic table. We're gonna test it out and see if we can move it. Dude, if we showed up, put this thing down at my house, my wife would kill me. Oh, I'm going way too fast. Can you move that thing? Oh my God, we can get that thing.
We gotta come back with the barge.
We can stack that thing up here. You think you just like pull it? Yeah.
Oh. First try again.
Yeah, take one. Oh my God, dude. You're tripping. Dude, if you would have slid off into the river. Oh, that would have been hilarious.
That's my best friend.
Sorry. Oh, it's heavy. I can lift it, but I didn't get enough leverage. The higher we lift it, the heavier it gets.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hop back on here, double team it. Ready? You think we can Move together.
I don't know, there's not much space to work.
Oh, this idea is so
I
dumb.
think we could get more use out of a wagon than a picnic table.
That sounds like a great idea. I'm trying to get off this table. Who's just kicking it? Did that work? No. Ah, just grab the crowbar that every boat has. There we go. Now we're moving. Somehow the boat's turning the other way than what I'm telling it to. Oh, because we're hitting a huge tree back here.
I think I see why we can't go in reverse.
Can you kick the nose out left? We need a bow thruster that we can just put down and go.
All right, we'll be back, picnic table.
Yeah. Oh wow, this looks like an island now.
Oh my God. Yeah, this is an old hazard of ours. Picked up a bunch of logs. One of our grapple hooks is buried under that thing.
Garbage can. Look,
Yeah.
Up on the way back.
You know, we couldn't pass by this trash bird without picking some of it out.
Things get a little weird here. Pick up some of this trash.
Except for the fact that we can't reach it. Little T-Rex arms.
This looks like a bearing or something. Oh, is it floating? Probably those beer smuggling.
Yeah.
Oh, 1800. Tequila?
Okay.
So much foam.
That's a keeper. Fireball. Popular.
It is.
Floating rock.
Odd.
Oh, more fireball. This is all probably from your brother.
I'm sure. My brother's not a scumbag. We just make him out to be.
Yeah, he's not a polluter. He's just drunk.
Yeah. What do you think, Matt?
Nobody's gonna want to watch this.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's what she said. Look at this one.
Oh, the blue duck.
Quack, quack.
I drew the duck blue.
Because I've never seen a blue duck before. Hey, hold
And
on.
then we got another duck. A green frog.
A turtle.
Oh, green turtle. Are you trying to get something? Of course he is. Oh my God, yeah, right. You hooked 2 flip-flops on the first grab. Get out of here. The chances of that happening are like 1 in a million. Dude, you are a state champ grappler.
That is trash well collected. 2 little buddies. These things are with us forever now.
All right, we're getting close.
It's another new swamp that used to be river. That platform or whatever that is used to be completely submerged. And this used to be all water. Beached, beached, beached. Even more disappearing water. Beached. Coming across the last bend before we hit downtown, and somewhere across that bank there is where the tunnel is supposed to be, so it's time to start keeping my eyes out. Is that the tunnel? Is that the tunnel? We'll be back to investigate you closer. Probably sewer runoff.
Why would they cement over it?
Coming up on the stretch where the old bootlegging smuggling tunnel's supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be along this bank here somewhere. No tunnel evidence yet though. And there's a big hunk of cement. I guess there could have been something here that collapsed. More.
Warmer.
We're getting warmer. I'm seeing more cement, more structures.
What is all that stuff? All this concrete looks like it must have gone to something. What is this thing? Is that it?
I guess there could have been something there that crumbled.
Or did they just put stone
Or,
over it?
yeah, blocked off. Oh, here's some more. Oh, that's like a corner of something.
Okay, something's going on here.
There's something here.
Something's going on. We're gonna get to the bottom of it.
There's Mount Clemens Courthouse. There's the original county building. There's the new county building. About 30 years after it's been built, and it still looks like an eyesore.
Look at that drain. It's cemented over. I wonder if that's it. It's straight in line with it.
I don't think that it was supposed to go to the county building, just that it was near the county building.
I don't know anything about it. How about that?
Well, we didn't see anything obvious. We might have to double back around and look closer.
We're gonna take another look and see if we can find anything. There's gotta be something.
We turned it back around and we're back here. This was the most promising stretch. A couple of cement structures here, wall there, thing there.
What do you want to do? Do you want to hop in there?
Is there a good place to pull up against?
Probably not, but
No.
has that stopped us before? This seems like the most open, but also inhabited.
Yeah.
There are a lot of homeless people that live here too. That's why I'm kind of afraid to let Coots off the boat.
So after our exhaustive search, we think that the last area that we just checked out, or this, could have been used by bootleggers in the smuggling era. It's got brick, which was more commonly used in that era than any modern era. That's definitely big enough for a person to sneak through. I think this would be our best candidate.
Clearly, this is the hole that the smugglers were in.
We found it.
Yep.
Another successful mission. This
Yep.
is definitely it.
We are modern day detectives, and nothing gets past us. So if you want to click on this video, thanks for watching. Nailed it.